Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So, we're asked to factor this. Now, when you look at this, notice the brackets, right? And sometimes when they have brackets like this, we may want to replace it with a different variable. But what I'm noticing is there's basically two terms. There's this term, because it's multiplied together, so that's all one term. And then we have a plus sign, and then there's this term. Now, between those two terms, we have a greatest common factor. It is the 2x minus 3y. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor out that greatest common factor. So I'm going to put 2x minus 3y kind of outside the brackets. Oh, and look, we have 15 and 35. There's also a common factor of 5 there, so I'm also going to take out a greatest common factor of 5 as well. Okay, so we've got that sitting out front. Now we're going to divide that greatest common factor out of each of these. So we divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 is going to be 3. And then when we divide 2x minus 3y squared by 2x minus 3y, we're just left with one of those 2x minus 3y's. So we'll have 3 and then bracket 2x minus 3y. Okay, on to the second term. So we got to put that plus sign there, so plus, and then we divide 35 by the 5, so that would be 7, and then we divide 2x minus 3y by 2x minus 3y, that would just equal 1, so we don't need to write that because 7 times 1 is 7. All right, and the bracket. Now, 5, 2x minus 3y, that still gets written down in front. But inside the square brackets, we can now drop those round brackets and multiply that 3 through to get 6x minus 9y plus 7. And then we're going to look to see if there's anything else we can do. Let's look at this inside those brackets. There's no greatest common factor. 6 and 9 have a common factor, but not 7. There's no like terms to add or subtract, so I think that's it. That would be your final answer. Alrighty, I hope that helped.